Hello and welcome. A single image is enough to track you, identify you, and link you with other sources of information. Now, the question is, how is that possible? How it is possible for one image to, identify you? Through a technology called facial recognition, we can actually do that. And today, I will tell you how. Face recognition is a biometric technology that identifies and verifies individuals by analyzing their feature or facial features. It involves capturing and processing an individual's facial image to extract unique characteristics, such as arrangement of eyes, nose, and mouth. These features are then compared to a dataset of known faces to determine a match or identification. Face recognition is widely used in security, access control, and authentication systems. One of the most well known and quite revolutionizing technologies is FaceNet. FaceNet is a neural network built by Google which does facial recognition based on a CNN-like network in which the CNN-like network compresses the information into a high-dimensional vector space, something that we usually call embedding or embedding vector, or many times many people call it latent space. This latent space is a vector which is a set of numbers that connect your face or anybody's face with a specific unique set or values of numbers. These numbers can identify you as you. So if we have some other image of you, this image with the image that we um, inputted just now. So we have a previous image and your image. By comparing these embedded numbers, we can see how far your image from your next image. If it's relatively close, then we can say that the new image is you. And by using one image of you, we can identify you no matter where you are by basically linking the new images that will track you to the image that we know it's, well, your image. So how can we train FaceNet? To train FaceNet, we will need one picture. We will call it an anchor. This is a picture that we consider it as correct with a specific person. We take another image of that specific person, and this image will be called positive. After that, what we do is we will take another image, completely random image of a different person. So now we have three images. One is anchor, the other one is we will call it positive, and the third image we will call it negative. The loss or the template loss is basically we will calculate the difference between the result, the embedding vector or the latent space vector of the anchor and the positive image. This difference in a well-trained image will be considered, it should be a small difference. The distance, what we call the difference, it should be small. Now, the distance between the other guy or the anchor and the random guy, basically the other guy, it should be as far as possible. So this is how we train it. We just feed it images of people, basically two images of the same person and one random image. And we keep changing this embedded vector until we get the minimum or maximum loss based on our metric, which the loss that makes the distance, as I said, between the anchor and the positive image as a minimum, and maximizing the loss between or the difference between the anchor and the negative image. So this is how we can, from one image of you, identify you anywhere we go, you go, as long as we know that this image is for you.